Hello, my dear students. Today we are here to discuss about the long questions from class 10 subject math chapter compound interest. In our previous videos, we discussed total 8 long questions from chapter compound interest that are asked in SCE of 5 marks each. The 8 questions we discussed in 4 different videos, 4 different previous videos are on the screen right now. Today we will discuss 2 more questions. Question number 9. The compound interest of a sum of money in 1 year and 2 years are rupees 400 and 832 respectively. Find the rate of interest compounded yearly and the sum. This question is asked in SLC 2064. Here in the question, there is a sum of money whose compound interest in 1 year is rupees 400 and the compound interest in 2 years is rupees 832. Now we need to find the rate of interest that is compounded yearly as well as the sum.
Solution. The compound given, the compound interest of a sum of money in 1 year equals to rupees 400, or you can write P 1 plus R by 100 all power t minus 1 equals to rupees 400, or P 1 plus R by 100 all power t is 1 minus 1 equals to rupees 400, or 1 plus R by 100 minus 1 equals to rupees 400, or P 1 minus 1 is 0, the remaining is R by 100 equals to rupees 400. Therefore, PR by 100 equals to rupees 400. Let us solve the equation 1. Now, also, again, the compound interest of a sum of money in 2 years equals to rupees 832, or P 1 plus R by 100 all power t, t is 2 minus 1 equals to rupees 832. 1 can also be written as 1 square, or it is in the form a square minus b square, so we can write P 1 plus R by 100 plus 1 plus R by 100 minus 1 equals to rupees 832, or P, here it comes 2 plus R by 100 and here it is R by 100 equals to rupees 832, or multiplying these two, PR by 100 2 plus R by 100 equals to rupees 832. Using equation 1, 1. PR by 100. PR by 100 equals to 400, or 400 2 plus R by 100 equals to rupees 832, or 2 plus R by 100 equals to rupees 832 divided by 400. Or R by 100 is equal to 832 divided by 400, you will get 2.08. Plus 2 equals to right hand side becomes minus 2, or R is equal to 0.08 into 100. Therefore, R is equal to 8% per annum. Also, putting value of R in equation 1. What was equation 1? Equation 1 was PR by 100 equals to 400, or P R is 8. By cross multiplying you get 400 into 100, or U is equal to 400 into 100 is 40,000 divided by 8. Therefore, P equals to 5,000. Rupees 5,000. Hence, the rate of interest is 8% per annum, and the sum is rupees 5,000.
Question number 10. If the compound interest on rupees 8,000 at the rate of 20% is rupees 5,824, find the simple interest of the same sum at the same rate and at the same time. This question is asked on SLC 2071. Here, in this question, rupees 8,000 is the principal, 20% is the rate, and the compound interest on this sum at this rate of interest is 5,824. It's asked to find the simple interest on the same sum 8,000 at the same rate 20% and at the same time at which the compound interest is 5,824.
Solution. Here, principal P equals to rupees 8,000, rate R equals to 20% per annum, compound interest CI equals to rupees 5,824, time is equal to what? We know compound interest equals to P 1 plus R by 100 whole power T minus 1. Compound interest is 5,824, P is 8,000, 1 plus rate is 20 divided by 100 whole power t minus 1, or 5824 divided by 1000 equals to 1 plus 20 divided by 10 is 0.2 whole power t minus 1, or 0.728 plus 1 equals to 1.2 whole power t, or 1.2 whole power t equals to 1.728, or 1.2 whole power t equals to 1.2 whole cube. By equating the corresponding value, we can get t equals to 3 years. Again, using the same principle, same rate and same time, let's find out the simple interest. P equals to rupees 8,000, t equals to 3 years, r is equal to 20% per annum. Now, simple interest equals to PTR by 100. That will be 8,000 into 3 into 20 divided by 100. 20 can be cancelled. 3 to the 6, 6 at the 48. 48, there are 2 zeros. Therefore, the simple interest, required simple interest is rupees 4,800. Hence, the required simple interest is rupees 4,800.
If you have any confusion and questions from today's discussion, you can comment below. In our next video, we'll discuss some more long question answers from chapter compound interest. To get more videos like this, please like, share, subscribe and press notification button to get more videos like this at first.